Man, that thing absolutely trashes everywhere. Trash everywhere. Buy a Roomba.
Your sweeping pants.
Can I stutter?
Yeah.
Buy a Roomba.
They happy now?
Thank you.
Is that the Roomba?
All I feel is pain. Now you will too.
Is this supposed to come with a knife?
Why does the Roomba have a knife?
I don't know. Maybe it's a premium package. Like it can get all like the little nooks and crannies.
This doesn't feel right.
It's gone. The Roomba's gone.
Where's the Roomba?
From the midnight sunshine.
No! No! No!
You know, why do we never think to just pick it up? Yeah. I should have picked it up.
Technology's a scary thing.
Want to go back?
Yeah, sure.